Hi, I'm Andy Hodgin, Director of Innovation at Lucid Group. Lucid provides life-enhancing design for applications in healthcare, wellness and life safety markets. We are experts in commercial viability with extensive commercial experience in market assessment and business planning, including many successful funding and grant applications. Our multidisciplinary team has the skills and expertise to solve the most complex challenges. We turn ideas into reality. An iterative design process brings multiple stakeholders together. We discover the unexpected, de-risk and refine solutions using human-centered UX and UI design, industrial design and life cycle sustainability assessments. Our team thrives on connecting digital and physical design. State-of-the-art technology capabilities include application and embedded software development, mechanical and electronic engineering design, and much more. Life-enhancing design takes a team. We live the opportunities and problems you face every day. We're here to help.